Today we're going to take a look at the 12 LED low profile surface mount strobe light with the clear lens and clear LEDs. Now this strobe light is installed in an aluminum base, has an IPX8 waterproof rating. Common use for this light is on pickup trucks, work trucks, or trailers. It's a black aluminum base with the clear lens, 12 clear LEDs. And LEDs make great replacements for incandescent lights because they'll last 50 times longer, and they're more efficient because they'll provide brighter light with less power output, and of course no bulbs to replace or brittle filaments to break. This light does offer 25 flash patterns and simultaneous or alternating function. It does use a blunt cut wired connection. You can see the wire length on this. It's about 9.5 inches. It does contain 4 wires. You have your black wire, which is your ground, red, which is your power, yellow, which is synchronization and flash patterns, and then the white is used for low power operation. Now this is a surface mount design. It does include the mounting screws and the foam gasket for installing it. It does include 12 LEDs. The voltage is 12 to 24 volts. Amperage is 1.56 amps at 12 volts. I'm going to give you a few dimensions on this, and then we're going to hook it up to some 12 volt power just to show you how bright it is in some of the flash patterns. So the overall length from end to end is right at 4.5 inches long. The height on it is right at 1 3/4 inches tall, and the depth on this, it's very thin, so it's only about 3/8 of an inch deep. So what we're going to do now is hook this up, and we'll take our black wire, which is the ground, and hook that up. Take our red wire, which is the power wire, we'll go ahead and hook that up. And then the other 2 wires, as we mentioned, the white wire would be for a low power operation. We're not going to hook that up. But the yellow wire is used for synchronization and flash patterns. And what I'm going to do with that is you can set your different flash patterns. It comes with 25 different choices. So once I turn this on and then I'm going to touch the yellow wire to the power wire, it'll reset the flash pattern. So anytime you want to change your flash pattern, you just remove the yellow wire, touch it again, and it'll reset it to another one. And also the yellow wire is used for synchronization. So if you have multiple of these lights on your trailer or truck and you want them to all sync as far as the flash pattern, once you set your flash pattern, then you just connect all the yellow wires together and that'll sync it all the lights together. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and turn on our 12 volt power. And you can see with just the red and the ground, the power and the ground connected, it's giving you the bright lights and the flash pattern. So you can see once the lights, turn the lights off, it's very bright, 12 LEDs, clear LEDs. And then I'm going to take that yellow wire we mentioned and go ahead and touch it, and you'll see that it changed to a different flash pattern. And we'll touch it again. There's another one. Touch it again to a different one. And one last one. And again, you'll have 25 different flash patterns to choose from. Very bright light. Go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights. Turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on the 12 LED low profile surface mount strobe light with the clear lens and the clear LEDs.